Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you this bra cup with fan stitch design. In this pattern it will fit extra small and small size. To begin our project we will need yarn, stitch marker, and crochet hook. I'm using 4mm crochet hook and my yarn is a lightweight yarn from Madame Cotton and it's a 51% acrylic and 49% cotton. We're going to begin by making our slip knot and chain 14 plus 3. So we're gonna make 17 stitches. So I have here 17 stitches and this will be our foundation chain. So we're gonna count backward 1, 2, 3, and that will be our first double crochet. On the 4th stitch we're gonna yarn over, put our hook in, pull through 2 and pull through 2, and that's our second double crochet. We're gonna put our stitch marker on the 3rd stitch and we're gonna keep going and make 15 double crochet. So I have here 15 double crochet, and on the 15th stitch we're gonna put extra 2 double crochet. So let's do that. 1, 2. We're gonna chain 2, 1, 2, and again on the same chain we're gonna put 3 double crochet. It should be look like this. And on the following stitches we're gonna put double crochet on top of that stitch. And it should be look like this. To begin our second row we're gonna chain 1, flip our work, and on the 1st stitch we're gonna yarn over, put our hook in, and make double crochet. That's our first double crochet on this row. Put my stitch marker on so I don't lose the 1st stitch. And I'm gonna make 17 double crochet on this side, and I will meet you on the chain space here. So let's make 17 double crochet. So we're gonna count 17. Let's count our double crochet if it's 17. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. Okay, we're gonna work now on this chain space. We're gonna put 3 double crochet inside here. So we're gonna yarn over, put our hook there, and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna chain 2, 1, 2, and again we're gonna put our double crochet again here. We're gonna put 3 double crochet again on the same chain space. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3. So on this side, we're gonna make another 17 double crochet on top of this. So let's keep going. And we are on our last stitch on this row. So we're gonna remove our stitch marker and put our hook. Okay. So our second row should look like this. So all up on this row, on the second row, we should have all up 40 double crochet plus the chain 2 that we made, the chain 2 space. For our third row, we're gonna chain 1, flip our work, and we're gonna make 20 double crochet. So let's put our hook in there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And that's our first double crochet in this row. Put stitch marker and keep going, and I will meet you on the top of this chain space. We are now on our last stitch, so we're gonna put our double crochet in there, and in here in this chain space we're gonna put 3 double crochet. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, 1, 2, oops, okay, and put another 3 double crochet in this space. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and we're gonna follow all the stitches and put double crochet on top of it. To finish this row, we're gonna remove our stitch marker and put double crochet. So by now it should look like this. So we are now on our fourth row. We're going to chain 1, flip our work, and make double crochet again on the first stitch. Put our stitch marker on. And make 23 double crochet on these stitches there on top. So let's do it. So every row we're increasing 6 double crochet. Okay, we're gonna work again on this chain space here. We're gonna put 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. So chain 2, again 3 double crochet on the same chain space, 1, 2, and 3. And again we're gonna put 23 double crochet on top of the stitches. So let's do it, and I will meet you at the end. Okay, so it starts shaping up like a cup. It should be look like this. All up here we have 4 rows. We are now on our 5th row, so we're going to chain 1 again, yarn over, put our hook on the first stitch, make double crochet, and again put our stitch marker, and we're gonna make 26 double crochet plus 3. The plus 3 is we're gonna put in here on this chain space. So let's make 29 double crochet. I have here, guys, 26, and now we're gonna put our 3 double crochet inside this chain space. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and again 3 double crochet on the same chain space. 1, 2, oops, 3, and we're gonna keep going and make another 26 double crochet, and I will meet you at the end. Before we begin our 6th row, I'm gonna show you this. This is the 6th row on the bra cup, on this bra cup. So it's double crochet, skip 1, chain 1, double crochet to get this chain space. So let's go ahead and make our 6th row on this. So we need to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, flip our work, skip 1 chain, and work on the 3rd stitch on top of this third double crochet. So we're gonna yarn over, put our hook in, pull through 2, pull through 2, and it should be look like this. And in here we're gonna put our stitch marker on the 3 stitch that we've made first. 1, 2, 3. Gonna put our stitch marker. And again, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and work on the 2nd stitch. Put double crochet. Again, chain 1, skip 1, work on the next stitch. Chain 1, skip 1, work on the next stitch, and put double crochet. We are now on this chain space, so we're gonna put single crochet by yarning over, pull through 2. We're gonna skip this first double crochet and work on the next stitch. So we're gonna yarn over, put our hook in, pull through 2, pull through 2. So again, chain 1, skip one, work on the next stitch. And it should be look like this. We are now in our 7th row, and in this row we're gonna make fan stitch. Our fan stitch consists of 5 double crochet. So each cluster has 5 double crochet. To start, we're gonna chain 1, flip our work. We're gonna skip 1 chain space, and we're gonna work on the 2nd chain space. So we're gonna yarn over and put 5 double crochet inside the chain space. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And to close it or to lock it, we're gonna put single crochet on this next chain space. So we're gonna put our hook in and make single crochet. And that's our first fan stitch. And again, yarn over, put 5 double crochet on the next chain space. All up now. We should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fan stitch. And to lock this 7th fan stitch, we're gonna remove our stitch marker and we're gonna lock that on our single crochet on top. So we're gonna put our hook in, yarn over, pull through 2. And on this side, we have 7 fan stitch. Now we're gonna work on this side, on the other side. So we are now on our last fan stitch, and we're gonna find our first double crochet, which is 1, 2, 3. That's our last stitch. We're gonna anchor it in there. And that's it. And we're done. So there you are, guys. We finished our bra cup. On my next video, I'm gonna use this bra cup on a crop top or bralette. So stay tuned and see you next time.